There's a DUI. Ain't got no lights on.
Quarter Bravo 5, Bravo 6, we're now being advised there's a large group of people causing a disturbance.
And 4, do we know how many?
1050, they only advise a large group of men and a female screaming. All the RPs aren't really being informative.
10. Bravo 6,
Yeah, I just told them to get out. We've been kicking them out. It's been an ongoing process to get them out of the building. Yo, you really come out here armed like that, though? Well, you don't need to. No, I'm trying to make sure my parking lots get cleared first. You come out, hey, yo, let's go. I'm not worried about y'all with y'all guns, bro. This shit don't scare me, man.
All right, well, I'm going in.
Hey, I'll go in with you. Hey, let's get a couple to go inside.
Yo. Can I ask you a question? Yeah. What are you doing now? Chill. Bro, I'm not touching you.
This is a business in the city of Lawton. You're going to back up or you're going to be arrested for obstruction.
For what? I'm asking you, what are you coming in here for? I'm obstructing what?
This is a business in the city of Lawton.
Okay, I'll pull him. But again, listen. Y'all got to go that way. I'm pulling him. Yes, you do. No. You're coming in here. You got your phone? Anybody got a phone?
You listen to me, sir.
Yo.
Hey, shots fired outside. Move it. Hey, shots fired to the east. Hey! Where's he? Over there! Him right there! Lawton Police, stop! Black male, gray shirt, black pants, running east. On park, coming up to 10. Hey! You better stop! You better stop! You're gonna get shot!
Headquarters to last unit, can you identify yourself?
Bravo 8, southbound 10. Hey! You're gonna get shot! I need somebody in the car. He's running eastbound in the alley. Hey! You better stop! You better fucking stop! Drop that! Bravo 8, shots fired by police. Stay on the ground! Shots fired by police. Put your fucking... Roll to your right! Get away from that gun! Roll to your right! To your right! Right! Get him in cuffs.
Go! You got long something to get it.
You get
Patterson! You have a short gun, cuff him!
Roll over!
Roll over!
Bravo at dispatch. Get medical started. Have him stand by. About 10th and Park. Ran their way. South. I shot.
Hey, come on! Who got him in?
Hey, let's get him in custody. Let's do first aid.
Okay, got a tourniquet?
I got tourniquet.
Where's he been shot at?
Should be chest. Watch our backs. Units out here. Just be advised. They were all shooting at each other. So just watch for weapons. Hey, is he in cuffs? Okay. Let's do first aid. Hey, just be advised. There was a white SUV south of the Lavish Lounge in the parking lot. This is who he was shooting at. He'll be shot in the chest.
You got 2 chest wounds.
Okay, y'all stand by with him.
Hey, that
Who fired shots?
I did.
Okay. You somebody partner with him?
Yep, I got it.
Somebody partner with him? Come on, stay with him. No, just hang tight right here. Don't leave them alone. Okay.
Hey! Get pressure on him.
Bravo 8 dispatch. Have medical come to 10th and Park. Be about a 20-year-old male. Multiple gunshot wounds to the chest.
Hey! We got OC canister right there. Yep.
Hey,
Perimeter started.
let's secure that. Or just leave that there. Yeah, if we can. Get some units with some crime scene tape. Set up a perimeter on this. Shots fired. Yeah, alleyway. south of 10th and Park. Let's get some crime scene tape going.
Hey, do me a favor, grab that extra camera so it's not on the.
Hey, let's just leave that there. We're gonna secure all this, just leave it there.
You sure?
Yeah, this will all be a scene. We're... Hey, Hinkle!
Who's up there?
Up there.
Patterson and somebody else is in there in the alleyway with him. Medical should be coming to 10th and Summit.
014 headquarters, you got status on EMS?
Are you good?
Yeah.
14 there now.
You good? Hey, take it in. You're good.
Oh, I'm good.
Haven't seen the crash, you said.
Oh, I gotta send it from
Units out here,
Y'all good?
when they start showing up, make sure we clear a path. Get them in here 1018.
Yeah, yeah.
Units on board.
I'd probably go. That's the family there. Medical is gonna come to 10th and Summit. They need to clear away. He's in the alleyway right here. But if we can, just try to get that.
Y'all get here. Just
Yeah.
Hey, I'm at 10th and Summit. Where you need me? Keep on there, 10th and Park, helping out. Got a white SUV, 6 to 9. So wet my own white shirt, trying to get out of it right now.
yeah.
He's not stopping.
Yeah, that passenger was the one that was shooting back at this guy.
You good, Ronan? Where's he?
Yeah.
And
Alleyway right here.
a yellow house over here, he's not listening to commands. He's got it inside the house. I'll get you number in a second.
I'm on the.
Be advised, he was armed, shooting.
Where's he at?
6 to 9.
White male, white shirt, right?
That's not Martinez. Where they at?
Yeah, I didn't get a good description on him.
Who do we have left?
Oh, I got him in the house right here.
We got no.
So this guy that was in.
The white SUV took off when I
Hey,
started
we
taking
had
him.
one in that went through the club, so we probably need to take control of the club too.
Okay, let's figure out what we got first.
Hang on.
Hold up.
Who is Martinez out with?
It's Echo 1. He's at 6 and I with the guy that this guy was shooting at in the white SUV.
Okay, who's got
Okay.
a car close by?
And I guess he took off. So somebody needs to go to him.
Yes. Okay.
We have
Which
one.
way were you?
Echo 1, where were you at? I just want to make sure.
6 to 9, this big yellow house over here.
Yeah, okay, you got units coming to you.
Which way were you pointing? Which way were you shooting?
That way.
Straight
Perimeter
east
over
or
here.
east?
No.
Southeast.
I came around the corner and he was standing kind of off center from
You
me.
know, so we can
Yeah,
go
just
back
east,
around.
southeast
Back.
a little. Yeah.
Come over by my car. Get out of the street.
Okay.
Stay with him until somebody can be with him.
Bravo 11's at 6 to 9. Where you at?
We were
Stay in the
we were
front
all in
over
the
there.
club.
I'm trying to get
Well, some of the
the
club.
rear secured over
Well, Hinkle yelled shots fired. So I come outside, we team up on that
There was
wall.
one car in the
This
car.
guy that just got shot here was shooting back and forth with the guy with this white
Over
SUV.
there, he's armed, so be careful.
6 and I, they were shooting back and forth.
This yellow house on 6 to 9 on the corner with the white SUV.
So
4, you're right in front of it.
Fire at him?
he pulled a gun. Sorry.
Did you hit him?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's why we need medical here. I told medical go there.
14,
That guy's the one.
Yeah, he was shooting at the guy in the white SUV. The passenger. The passenger was shooting at him, and then he took off running this way. The passenger got in that white SUV, and I didn't see where they went, but I just went after him.
There's a disturbance. Also got the start. Pissed off dad.
Okay, you got more units coming to you.
Bravo 197.
What's gang units 10-7?
Bravo 10, got it.
We're doing the whole shebang bang.
I'm waiting for the ambulance to come through.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Did you shoot him?
Yes.
Okay. You good?
Who? What?
Are you good?
Yeah.
Park.
Okay.
Bravo 8 dispatch on 2.
Well, you can hang out with me.
Probably not to. Go ahead.
Yeah, that's gonna be on.
Yeah, I know 10th. I said 10th and Summit earlier. Have him come to 10th and Park instead. It'll be a more clear route.
And for the, can they approach?
Yeah, 10-4.
Where's your car?
10-4.
Back over on the east side of, or west side of 11.
Where are they at?
They need to get here though.
So he was running.
Yeah, we ran this way.
Yeah.
And then as we're running, I was almost to that fence and he went around the corner and I said, hey, Lawton Police, stop, stop, stop.
Units, be advised, we got kids in the house.
And then when I came around, he's in his waistband, pulled out the gun.
There you go. There you go. No.
Hopefully medical can get here.
They're trying to come down 11th Street.
Well, I told him, well, first I told him there because this was all filled with cars. But now that we got this blocked off, they can come here and...
Well, let's get out of the way.
Hey, unit, pull it up. Watch the back of the house.
All right.
Sheriff 14 headquarters, 10th Street between Park and Summit. We need EMS. Still standing by for them.
They should be coming down Parker.
Or can they approach?
Yeah, 10-4, headquarters, 10-4. We need them, 10-18.
Dispatch clear.
Hey! Bravo 2 to Sierra 14, go to 2.
Are you going to station?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I lost my mask somewhere.
You're fine. Let's go.